The Workforce Spotlight, sponsored by Workforce Connection.
Hi, I'm Ashley from Workforce Connection, and I'm here to talk to you about ValleyBuild. ValleyBuild is a no-cost pre-apprenticeship program hosted by ValleyBuild Partnership that includes Workforce Connection and our Fresno Madera Kings Tulare Building Trades Council here in Fresno. We have a 6 to 10 week program. It's absolutely no cost, and you'll get tons of hands-on experience with our building trades. We also offer wrap and support services, including resume development and interviewing. It's all no cost to you. All you have to do is be 18 years or older. You can apply at valleybuild.net, include your high school diploma and GED, and a valid California driver's license. We'll contact you for orientation, and you'll get started from there. We have classes beginning in Oakhurst and in Fresno in the spring of 2026, so apply now at valleybuild.net.
The Workforce Spotlight, sponsored by Workforce Connection.